Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Welcome back for students of tutorial online class. In this sessions for session 4, our topic is study time and telephone communications. For materials in sessions 4, talking about 1. Telling times about minutes and hours. 2. Identify period of time in days, months, years, and seasons. 3. Telling activities in relations with the time, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. In all of sessions, I hope you will be active in forum discussions and doing all of assignments. Keep spirit, and finally, I would like to say thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.